We're using a cannula which is blunt tipped, and it's elongated so that we can go into one insertion site and cover quite a wide area. Distributing these little beads that are going to help volumize and produce both collagen and elastin to take away signs of aging, which many people call crepiness. On a good high-end line microneedler, you can get the penetration from 0.05, which is about what it is here, and increase it up to 2.5 millimeters, which is a laser is about 4 to 5 millimeters. So you want very high-end technology for the finest result.